Dr. Tuff, you basically have like a little mini spa here at your office. Tell me a little bit about what you have here.
Well, we'd like to incorporate that spa atmosphere. We want the patients to be pampered, but we only bring in the things that'll help them benefit, but we like them to feel good while they're here and relax. This here we have is our infrared sauna.
Okay.
Now,
traditional saunas are wet. This is different.
yes, this is a dry heat as opposed to a moist heat. In a traditional sauna, the steam sauna, it's moist heat, but it also gets way over 200 degrees, so you can't stay in there very long. It's a little bit hard to breathe. You're in there with a lot of people. With this infrared sauna, it's a dry heat. We don't have to go nearly as high on the temperature, so you can stay in longer and benefit from that. You're by yourself.
Yeah.
You don't have to deal with anyone else that's in there and kind of embarrassing or anything like that. So it's very
meditate.
private. You can meditate, you can relax. The infrared heat actually helps you to relax, to the muscles to relax. It helps pain to go away. It actually has been shown to decrease blood pressure. And the sweat that comes off a traditional sauna, a person in a traditional sauna, is about 97% water and 3% toxins. But in this, it's about 7 times that. So it's about 80% water and 20% toxins, which means we have to spend less time here to get even better benefits.
And we talk about toxins, like I know when we sweat, what exactly is that, Is that
Well,
when we're losing weight? What is
Well, the toxins in our body actually, let's keep it simple, the fat tissues, the adipose cells, will actually envelop those toxins and kind of protect the body from it, and we like to say. It'll protect it. And so if we just lose weight and we don't cleanse and detoxify, the weight comes back. So as we release those toxins and let the body process those out, the fat cells can shrink down. And
this is a perfect thing for helping with that.
This is wonderful. This is like my favorite room in the office, just because I can get in here a couple times a day, every day, and it's beneficial. It helps me to relax, like you said, meditate, and just take time out from the world.
Mm-hmm. And also, it's a little spa here.
It is. It is.
Thank you so much, Dr. Tuff.